Hello everyone, welcome back. For today, I've got something interesting, and we're going to discuss something scrolling effects and how to enhance your website's interactions, making them feel more fluid and more engaging. So, here is a simple, structured website with a little bit of style, but you may have noticed that when I scroll, it feels rough or plain. So, today's project, I have decided to create a small website where the scrollings will be super smooth, and not only that, we'll also add extra effects that react as we scroll. This way, the page feels more dynamic, interactive, and modern. So, let's dig into some animation. Uh, so, here is the project, and this is just very basic structure of the project. And so, first of all, how do we are gonna set up the scroll smoother? So first of all, we are gonna import the GSAP hook that led us to in so that okay. So first we're gonna create a variable with the smoother, and first we have to import GSAP. GSAP, then we have to register plugin. Stir plugin that release scroll. First of all, scroll trigger, because scroll smoother is built on top of scroll trigger. The scroll trigger and scroll smoother, and after that, scroll smoother dot create. We're gonna create an instance, and here we're gonna give that a wrapper that is our smooth wrapper. So you're gonna get done that, and the content, what are the content here? So it will be a smooth content. You already gave there a class, and let's check out. So we have got an error, use the only. Okay, so we have to make it a client component. Good. And now it's once. Now, as you can see, it feels better than before. It have some smooth animations and smooth scrolling, but we need more smooth. So we add smooth into these are seconds. So if we do and we get smooth than before, and if we add the value 3, so it will be much smoother than normal. You see, it's very smooth. So it will take what it does that it will take 3 seconds, and 3 seconds to caught up my native scrolling position. So it's very smooth now, and for some interaction we can create. So we to jump on a button, we can create a div inside div a button. You can add the jump to 3. So we have to give it a type. So here, class. So here are some class name for the button. For the div, we'll call that button because we'll be targeting this div. The actually doesn't target this. Okay. So then first let's target that. To document dot ready selector dot button, because we added the button in the class name of the div, so it's now targeted. So now we will add a event listener in the button. Add event listener, and it will be click. After that, a function, nameless function. We call this smoother scroll to simply scroll to, and there will be three parameter. One will be the target where we want to go. We want to go to the button box number 3. So the box number 3 will be box 3. Then the animation, if we want the animation. So if we want the animation, it is true. And after that, we will set up the viewport position like the center and the center. So it will go to the center position. So let's check out. So here is our button, and if we click on that, it will jump to this number 3 box. Let's just use that. Let's go. So here is our button, and if we click on that, it will go directly to the third box, and the viewport is the center. So if you get this false, so what will happen now? The jump instantly, no animation. So this is the scroll animation, and it's very smooth, and it's pretty cool and pretty amazing, right? And so that's for today's project. We've taken a plain rough scrolling website and turned into a smooth animated experience using GSAP. I hope this gives you some ideas for how you can improve your own project and make your websites feel more alive. You can also watch the this card sticking animation with GSAP in the pop-up screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.